There is a beast on the loose in Brisbane City. Reported to be weighing 4 tons, this big, sweaty, black, hairy beast is terrorizing the townspeople. They're calling him King Kong.
Oh, yes. Behind me, we have King Kong, a $300,000 Super Tourer Chev 2500, sporting a BDS coilover suspension kit and a world-class canopy on the back. All right, let's get this thing back to the workshop before the beast wakes up.
He's heading eastbound. We are closing in. We've lost him.
It's taken all night, but we're finally here. Let's observe this beast and see what's going on. This is a one sick looking Chev 2500. Kong's stance is really, it's just pretty damn impressive with the 6.5 inch coilover conversion. It's not just a straight out of the box kit, this one. It is just a shock tower when it's the torsion bar setup. Because we remove those torsion bars, we really have to consider maximizing the strength. So we throw that one in there. It's about an extra day in the workshop just on bracing that one up, making it nice and strong. But with the Fox 2.5 coilovers there, you've got the dual speed adjustability like any of the other DSC Fox shocks in our standard packages. So these have got both low speed and high speed adjustment. Awesome kit there. And rumor has it, this one's found on Skull Island. You can set them from the front. The rear shocks simply jump underneath and set those ones up as well. The canopy on the back that we'll swing through in a minute. You can definitely play around with that rear end setup, and dialing it in is really, really important. We all know how serious a Gorilla Grip can be. And these things here in the Yokohama G016 in an impressive 37, 13.5, 20 tyre is going to give you all the traction that you need. As you can see with the 2 spare wheels on the back here, we've got massive 6 tyres, and these are wrapped on the Method 605 NVs, so these are your 20 by 10 neg 24 fitment. One of the most popular fitments for these Chev 2500s that are running your 5-inch or 6-inch lift kits. You definitely want to run the flares on that one to keep it nice and legal and keep the tyres covered. But these things look amazing. These things will grip to the road like nothing else. The Yokohamas are proving to get really, really popular here at Big Dog Builds as well. We'll run through the whole canopy setup on the back here with the trundle drawer and the impressive washdown feature there in a minute. But at the back, any good build that comes out of Big Dog Builds has usually got the Jenny hitch on the back. So this one is your 7-ton combo with your 5-hole drop. These ones out of the box are pretty universal. You got your 50mm ball there. You can reverse that over for your 70mm ball. And then we also run the AT tongue as well usually. This one also does come with the pintle hitch as well. So not as common here in Australia. The AT tongue for your DO 35 or 45 is definitely the most common. The investment in these hitches is definitely worth it. The torsion feature that these offer add that extra little bit of suspension between the vehicle and the trailer. And these ones here with the Gen Y hitch locks are definitely a must as well. You don't want these things going walkabout at night time, that's for sure. We'll flick up the top there and see what's going on. Up on top here, we've done something a little bit different. We've gone for the half rack from Rhino Rack. This allows for the full operation of the sunroof up the front there. This customer doesn't need to carry a lot up on this roof rack. It's got these lights that are on the front there. So also got your Rhino Rack folding bracket for the 1.2 meter GME UHF up on top as well. And as you can see on the front of the roof here, we've got the amber clearance lights as well. So these are factory GM part that we get in from the US. But it definitely adds that sort of truck look to it, like the 3500 Chevs from the States. These ones look sick. So full operation of the roof rack, little half rack set up on here. Nice simple feature from Rhino Rack. Definitely ties in nicely. I can't wait to see what this customer does on the roof of the canopy as well to sort of tie in that whole look. As we know, the GME UHF combos are definitely the most popular here at Big Dog Builds. The XRS 370 combo like this one here is definitely the most popular that we offer, and we can do the 680mm antenna up top, or like this one has the 1.2. This one doesn't seem to, this will help.
South of the river is clear. Let's check the Redlands.
They're still after me. Let's go through Kong's cave. Oh, It's a lot of room for the big guy, that's for sure. This thing's pretty impressive. GCI Tradetech definitely know what they're doing. The nice bright white features inside their canopies, like this one here, looks the part. Got your upright fridge on this side, the power on the other side over there, which we'll swing around to in a minute. Got your lights, obviously central locking in all your doors as well as the toolboxes. One feature that GCI Tradetech do that not many others in the industry do are their rolling drawers for the toolboxes. So instead of your traditional fold downs, these things slide out, which means that you can store more in there without that falling out. So one pretty neat feature. It's got LED lights in those drawers as well. I don't see too many GCI Tradetech combos with the color-coded doors and on the canopy and the toolboxes. So this two-tone between the textured black and the painted finish looks amazing. We'll swing around the back and we'll see how big this trundle drawer is. The backs of these canopies are pretty impressive. The GCI definitely has that look to it. You got your ladder up on there to access rooftop tent that might be up there later on. You got your trundle drawer, which is pretty big under the bottom here as well. Thing just kept going out. This thing's pretty big, very strong drawers as well on the back of these GCI Tradetechs. Definitely invest in really good runners, this company, that's for sure. And the other little feature there as well, which I believe GCI are one of the first to do in the industry, is a neat little washdown feature, which a lot of other canopy companies are now utilizing. If you haven't seen that one before, comes with these little quick connects. So simply twist them in, and that one's only pressurized once that goes in. So you can't have anyone tamper with your water setup. That's one plus with it. You can't run back up because you can simply disconnect your hose there, and that one can't get tampered with. So pretty neat feature there. GCI were one of the first on the market that I saw doing it anyway. And they've still got your blind spot monitors tucked in behind those lights there as well. You've got your perspex on the sides. The tail lights on these things just make this thing look impressive. So well done GCI. Once again, awesome looking tray canopy combo. We have forgotten about this feature as well. We'll swing into this side as well and see what's going on. I believe this one here has got a few extra things coming that the customer's doing himself down south. A few wires hanging out there. Having the slots up on top definitely mean that you can sort of fit this one out as simple or as complex as you like there. Battery storage behind the fridge is definitely a must. See if there's any King's juice in this one. We're clear on that one. So awesome looking features. A little bit of work still to come with the tail pipes on this one here. So it has got a twin system. So we're just modifying that one a little bit to suit the shock absorbers in this 6.5-inch coilover kit. And this one's pretty much done. So awesome looking tray canopy combo, guys. If you like Chevys like this one, guys, check out Big Red over here. And to see all these American trucks in action, American Trucks Down Under, episode 1's right here.